Welcome to you all. Look and watch. What is the man doing? What are the man doing? And what is the man doing? Today we shall discuss on preposition. So that is used before fixed time. Will come here at 2 p.m. Addiction is harmful to or injurious to health. The man is addicted to drugs. The girl is reading, so she is devoted to reading the Quran. Really, the man with the stick are blind. They are blind of their eyes. You should help a blind man to cross the road. She is acting as blind. So she is blind to her eyes. They are businessmen. They deal in rice. They are quarreling. They don't know how to deal with others. Now I have to make a group. And it will be your homework. Fill in the gaps with the preposition. Thank you all.